Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Video Cache app. But a quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Video Cache, listed on Google Play as Video Cache Beta by CacheQ team, promises users the ability to earn coins by watching short video clips, which can supposedly be exchanged for PayPal Cash or other rewards. It has 100,000 downloads and a 4.3-star ratings, but ratings alone don't tell the full story. Where things get shady. The ad overload. Users report constant ads sometimes every few seconds, turning the app into an ad watching machine. The slowed progress. Many users say the app reward you quickly at first, but once you near the payout threshold, progress shows dramatically or glitches pop up. No proof of payout. There's zero verified evidence of successful withdrawals, no payment receipts, screenshots, or proof from trusted users. There aren't many Reddit threads on Video Cache specifically yet, but the pattern matches dozens of similar watch during apps, endless ads, fake earnings, and no real cash outs. The community usually labels this as ad farming apps that waste your time. Now, for the final verdict, Video Cache is likely not legit. While it functions as a real app, its earning potential is highly questionable. Without solid proof of payment and with a user experience built around ads, it looks more like a scheme to farm ad revenue from your screen time, not a real way to earn. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.